In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add related posts to your WordPress website. This is a simple but powerful way to boost user engagement by suggesting additional content your readers may be interested in. Let's get started. First, head over to wordpress.com. On the homepage, you'll notice the login button in the top right corner. Clicking this will take you into the area where you can customize and manage your site. WordPress offers several login methods, and one of the easiest is continue with Google. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll see a list of accounts appear automatically. Choose the one connected to your WordPress website, and you'll be logged in without needing to enter any extra passwords. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard, the central hub for managing everything on your site. On the right-hand panel under the Quick Links section, click Edit Site. This opens a site builder, where you can visually update and fine-tune your website. Now, to add related posts, you'll need to insert a new block. Look toward the top left corner of the editor where you'll see the Add button, usually represented by a plus icon. Click it. A search bar will appear. Type related posts into the search field. WordPress will instantly filter the available blocks, making it easy to find the one you need. Once you see the related post block, click on it. The block will be added directly to your current page or post. WordPress automatically pulls content that relates to what your visitors are reading, based on the tags or categories you've assigned to your posts. This simple addition encourages readers to explore more of your site, keeps them engaged longer, and helps improve overall content discoverability. And that's all it takes. You've successfully added a related post block to your WordPress website, giving your audience an easy way to continue reading and stay connected with your content. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore other blocks and customization features in WordPress to make your site even more dynamic and user-friendly. Happy posting!